Well, this certainly took forever to arrive this month. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today we're going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for September 2024. But holy bananas, you guys, this box took forever to show up this month. And I know I'm not the only one. I happened to look on the Ipsy website at a couple of products and do you hear the squeaker? My dogs are playing right now. So I looked on the Ipsy website and there were a couple of reviews and people are like, oh, I love this product. I just haven't received it yet because my box still is not here. So I don't know what happened, but this month it is like ultra slow. So if you guys are interested in this subscription box, I will of course be posting a link down below for you in that video description box. This is a monthly box where you will receive beauty products. There will be 5 full-size items inside of this box every single month. You are able to choose 3 of your 5 products. The other 2 will be chosen by the Ipsy team, and they're supposed to be based off of your profile quiz. So when you first sign up, you'll take a quiz that says, like, do you like this? Do you dislike this? Like, you can go through and choose which items you prefer. It follows, I feel like they follow the quiz most of the time, but it's not always a guarantee. I do think, because I know the 2 items that they chose for me this September, and I don't think they're that great for me this month. So sometimes it's good, and then other times it is a little bit of a disappointment. So this is what it looks like inside of my box this month. I did do some add-ons, so you're seeing a couple of extra products. Each month you will receive a newspaper, and on this newspaper it will tell you the upcoming news that's happening over at Ipsy. So they'll tell you about a edit that's coming out, like it says the e.l.f. edit is here and you can buy this, and it's a kit full of all e.l.f. products. Now, one thing it does not mention is the Ipsy Advent Calendar, but it has launched and mine has shipped, you guys. So of course I ordered it the first day that I saw it out, and it has already shipped, so it is on its way to me. But if it's anything like the shipping was this month for this box, it might be a couple of weeks before it's up on my channel. We'll see what happens, but I am really excited because it appears at first glance to be a lot better than last year's Advent calendar. So it's also pricier. It costs more than last year, but just based off of the first few photos that I saw, it looks like it might be a decent calendar this year. But see, stay subscribed to my channel and then you'll be notified because that unboxing will be coming soon. So the first item inside of my Boxycharm box, this is the item that Ipsy chose for me. I have palettes set to high on my quiz. So whenever there's a palette, typically they'll give me something. This one is not a bad palette. It's from Too Faced and it's called That's My Jam, but it is a mini palette. And so I think it's okay. But to me, this is something that should go in the Ipsy glam bag. That's just my own personal thoughts. Uh-oh. I have shadow dust in here. See this? It's all over the box. So that makes me wonder now if this is in good shape or not. Oh, now I'm really nervous. So it is a metal tin. I do think it's super cute. I love the idea. But as you can tell, it is just a mini eyeshadow palette. Oh! We're okay, you guys. We're golden. Like, oh, good gravy. I was nervous, you guys. When I saw that, I was like, oh no, like what happened? So there is a mirror in here. And then down below will be your jam shades. So this is grape soda, toast, jam on it, jam session, we be jammin'. That is all of the shade names. It's so cute. I love the color story though. I think they're beautiful shades. Honestly, I don't hate this. I really don't have a problem with this. Like, who am I kidding? I love the shades. I love the packaging on here. I think Too Faced is a great brand. I will use this palette. When I saw online that it said mini, I was expecting it to be, well, I mean, it is small, don't get me wrong. But I was like, oh, great. I'm getting a really tiny mini eyeshadow palette. But this is not that bad. Honestly, it's all in my head. I think this is a good product. I'm happy with receiving this month. Seeing it in person is much better than what I saw online. Now, the second item that Ipsy chose for me is an eyeshadow primer. And see, again, when I saw this online, I was like, oh, that's not very exciting. And it's small. So in my head, I'm going, I'm getting 2 miniature items in my full-size box. So I was really bummed when I saw these two, but like I said, now that I've seen the palette in person, not that bad, but I still feel the same way about this. So this is an eyeshadow primer that you will put on first and then put your eyeshadow right over top of it. This will allow your shadows to stay in place so you don't have fallout throughout the day. It's also going to prevent creasing. So when you're blinking, it's not going to create a line across that crease in your eyelid. So this is by a brand called V Cosmetic, and it is 6 ml of product. It is very small. It's light medium is the shade on here. So it does have a tint. Not all eyeshadow primers have a tint. I go with clear ones because I don't want it to change the colors of my shadows. Sometimes when you have a tint or a color on here, what will happen is it will change the look of those shadows. Now, it doesn't mean it will do it all the time, but it can change them. This one looks like it could blend out really well, but it's gonna give it more of a brightening effect since it's a bright white. It should make your shadows look a little bit more vibrant. So it's not like I won't use this, but you know what I mean? When you're spending over 30 bucks a month on a box, like getting an eyeshadow primer that's only 6 ml of product, it's not as exciting. And this is definitely something that I feel like should have went in the Ipsy Glam Bag in their smaller version instead of in the Boxycharm box. But now I'm going to show you guys the 3 items that I chose for my box, which I think are a lot more exciting than what they chose for me. So the first item is from Fenty Skin. This is the Cherry Dub Super Fine Facial Scrub. So this product is amazing, you guys. I currently use this. I bought it at Sephora and I love it. It smells so good. It's one of the best smelling skincare products that I own. So it definitely smells like cherries, but the scrub is supposed to break down texture, but it's not gonna scar or scratch your face. It's not that rough. It's still smooth as much as an exfoliant can be smooth, if you know what I mean. Like, it's still gonna be rough to break down texture and get rid of dry skin and make your skin softer afterwards, but it's still not going to hurt and it's not gonna be a really rough process. It's not like sand or anything like that. So this product I highly love. I endorse it, recommend it, everything, you guys. I don't work for Fenty. I get nothing off of this. I just happen to really like this product. I also went with a product from Ren Skincare. This is their Moisture Replenishing Cream. It is a full-size product. Now, Ren is a brand that I don't know why, you guys, but I just trust. So as a consumer, I love the fact that they've tried to go eco-friendly. They started a few years ago and launched this whole plan of they were going to reduce packaging. They were going to use recycled packaging. They also were getting rid of a bunch of different plastics and switching to glass because that was better for recycling purposes. And I loved everything that they were doing. So they took this pledge a few years ago, and now going forward, they've been implementing that with all of their products. So the packaging looks a little bit more basic than what it used to, but my understanding is they're using like not only recycled packaging, but recycled ink and everything. Like, it's supposed to be better. So it's a Clean to Planet. It's called the Infinity Recycling Program. You can read about it on their website. They have a lot of info. So I've always just had a good vibe with Ren. And again, I don't work with them or anything. I just have a good feeling with this brand. So all of their products are vegan. Everything is cruelty-free as well. And they use a lot of plant-based ingredients, but they work, which is even more important, right? So this one is the Replenishing Cream. It has hyaluronic acid inside of this. There's also freshwater microalgae. This will help to protect your skin from dehydration. And then they also have freshwater plants in here, which will help to hydrate and smooth the appearance of dehydration lines that you might have. So this product, I just thought it was great because I always need moisture for my skin, especially going into fall and winter. It's a great time to stock up. I also went with the Dry Bar product. This is the Triple Sec Finishing Spray. So this is a hair care product and it is a 3-in-1 spray. This will texturize, amplify, and refresh your hair. So it's gonna give you volume, but it gives a little bit of texture in there, which will make it a tiny bit sticky, and it will allow your hair to stack on top of each other to give it more volume. So I am all about having volume in my hair, you guys. Like, I love the big 80s 80s hair. Like, I totally think we should bring that back. I'm sure no one is surprised to hear me say that, but seriously, I'm all for it. Like, we want to bring back the big hair. Let's do it. So those are the 5 items in my Boxycharm box. I have a couple more products in my box that I'm going to share with you guys, starting with my Beauty Boost. Now, Beauty Boost is where you will pay an additional $15 a month for one full-size product. So the full-size product that I have for September is from Ole Henriksen. This is the Hydra Barrier Nourishing Facial Oil. So this is an oil that will lock in hydration. It's not going to add hydration to your skin, but it will help to keep in what you already have and create a barrier where you're not going to lose any because of dry air or anything like that. So Ole Henriksen is very expensive. Basically, when I see this brand, I just see dollar signs. So to get it for 15 bucks is a steal. And this is a facial oil that you can use all over then. And last up are my add-ons. So of course, I saw the Tatcha minis in the add-on shop. And I tell you guys, every time I see this brand or this product, I always buy them. So this is their famous water cream. It is a lightweight moisturizer. I absolutely love it. Tatcha has one of the best moisturizers out there, but I don't really find this in too many boxes. And so when I find it in add-ons, I always just grab as many as I can, which is 3. That's the maximum amount. So of course I had to get my 3 minis in here, but if you guys are ever looking for a great lightweight moisturizer, this is one that I do recommend. So that is everything for our Boxycharm for September. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Honestly, I think you can kind of tell how I feel through this video. Like, it's a good box, but it's not a great box. I've had better boxes this year. It's average. I really don't like the eyeshadow primer because it's so small, so basic. But I don't know, this box just kind of feels bland, like middle of the road. Do you know what I mean? Like it's good and it's kind of like, yeah, it was good. I didn't feel like I lost money, but it's not really memorable either. Like, I don't think a month from now, I'm going to be like, whoa, do you remember when I got this? Like, it just feels a little average. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe it's just because I've been opening up advent calendars and so I'm super excited about those that this just is not as exciting now. It could just be me. But overall, I think the box is worth it. I don't think it's bad. I think the brands are great in here. It just isn't my most, exciting box ever. So comment down below, let me know, did you guys enjoy your Boxycharm boxes for this month or not? Also, was your box super slow too? Like, I don't know what happened. I don't know if mine got stuck in shipping or what, but was it slow for everybody or was it just me? So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!